Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you how you can freeze CapCut Security Notice alert absolutely free. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So the problem is the current version secure problem. So let's go. So firstly you have to open your CapCut software. So I am opening my CapCut software. See this, the security notice alert is showing here. So how to solve this problem? So to solve this problem you have to follow the step-by-step tutorial. So watch till the end. So firstly you have to go to your task manager. So click on this. You can see this task manager. So click on this, and then you can see this, the CapCut is running here. So firstly you have to close this CapCut here. So click on this and click end task. Click on end task. So CapCut successfully close it. Then you have to close your net connection. So here you can see this, I am disconnecting this Wi-Fi connection. Fully disconnected the Wi-Fi. I am reopening the CapCut software. You can see this, there is no notice here is showing because of my net connection is off. And then you have to, if you are signed in here, you have to log out here from this, and then you have to create a project. So here you have to go to main menu, and here you have to go to more and versions. Click on this, and then you have to turn on your net connection. So my net connected successfully. Now I have to click on check for updates. So you will get this message update now. So click on update now, and here you can see this updating. So click on this. So you can see this, the software is downloading fast. So it is almost downloading. So you can see this 99% completed. So this way you can solve this issue easily. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.